Seniors often notice tingling in the feet, painful muscle cramps at night, or that heavy, dragging feeling in the legs by evening. You may think these are just normal signs of aging, but they are actually early warning signals that your circulation is not working well. Ignoring them can raise the risk of blood clots, nerve damage, or even a stroke. What if I told you there is one single vitamin, not magnesium like everyone keeps mentioning, that can help restore leg circulation naturally? And chances are you already have it in your kitchen. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and in the next 10 minutes, I'll explain the 5 warning signs that show your leg circulation is already weakened, and the one vitamin that can help turn it around. This is the vitamin seniors lack the most, yet it is one of the strongest for healthy circulation. Before we continue, leave a comment and share where you're watching from and your age. And make sure to hit the subscribe button because every week I share life-saving health tips to help you stay strong and active after 60. First, let me explain what's really happening inside your body when circulation starts to break down. Once you understand this, you'll see exactly why this vitamin matters so much. Think of your blood flow like a road system. When traffic moves smoothly, oxygen and nutrients reach every cell and you feel energetic and steady. But when circulation slows down, the early signs are easy to overlook, and that's where the danger lies. Poor circulation happens when blood flow becomes slow or blocked, especially in the legs and feet. Common causes include plaque buildup in arteries, weak vein valves, high blood pressure, diabetes, low physical activity, or simply getting older. What makes this problem so risky is how quietly it develops. Swollen ankles, cold toes, mild aches. Many people brush these off as normal aging, but they are serious messages from your body. When blood vessels lose their flexibility, the chance of clots rises sharply. Without healthy blood flow, your body can't clear toxins properly, leading to inflammation, infections, and faster aging. Professor Dr. Joel Kessler, a respected expert in regenerative medicine, explains it simply. Blood flow is vital for healing and energy. Without proper circulation, nothing works as it should. The good news is that when poor circulation is noticed early, it can often be controlled or even improved with small daily habits and the right nutrients. That's exactly what I want to show you today. Let me walk you through 5 key symptoms that usually appear in a clear order. Each one is more serious than the one before it. If you recognize yourself in these signs, pay close attention because the vitamin I'll share helps with every single one. The first warning sign is a change in skin color. Have you seen your feet or ankles look pale, bluish, or develop dark patches? This isn't just about appearance. It shows that oxygen is not reaching those areas properly. When blood flow is poor, the skin changes color because it's not getting enough oxygen. These areas often feel cold and take longer to heal from cuts, increasing the risk of infection. This is your body signaling that blood is not getting where it needs to go. The second warning sign is leg cramps while walking or during the night. A sharp pain in your legs that forces you to stop walking may be a sign of intermittent claudication, which means your leg muscles aren't getting enough oxygen because the arteries are narrowed. It may feel like a muscle problem, but it's actually your arteries struggling to supply blood. Nighttime cramps are even more concerning. They disturb your sleep and point to the same issue. Your muscles are asking for oxygen-rich blood, and when they don't get it, they tighten and cramp painfully. The third warning sign is frequent tingling or numbness, that pins and needles feeling in your feet, especially after sitting or standing for a long time, is often blamed on posture. But when it happens regularly, it usually means your nerves are under stress due to low blood flow. Nerves need a steady supply of blood to work well. Without it, tingling and numbness appear. Over time, this can lead to nerve damage, affecting balance and reflexes, and greatly increasing the risk of falls. The fourth warning sign is cold feet, even when the weather is warm. If your feet feel cold on a warm day, it means blood is not reaching them properly. This happens when blood vessels are narrowed or blocked, stopping oxygen-rich blood from reaching your toes. Many patients tell me their feet feel freezing even in summer, and they wear socks to bed. This is more than discomfort. It can point to artery problems like atherosclerosis and weakens your feet's ability to heal and fight infections. The fifth and most visible warning sign is varicose and spider veins. Large, twisted veins that look blue or dark are clear signs of circulation trouble. They form when the valves in your veins weaken and allow blood to pool in your legs. This leads to swelling, discomfort, and that heavy leg feeling at the end of the day. Spider veins, those thin red or purple lines that look like a web, are also signs of poor vein health. Professor Kessler warns that the biggest mistake is thinking these signs are only cosmetic. Poor vein flow is a slow, silent breakdown, and once it reaches an advanced stage, it's much harder to treat. If you notice several of these symptoms, I strongly suggest seeing a specialist. A simple vascular ultrasound can spot problems early before they become dangerous. Now, let me share the one vitamin T helps address all of these issues. And if this information is helping you, please tap the like button. It supports the channel and helps us reach more seniors who need this message. The vitamin that helps restore leg circulation after 60 is vitamin B3, also known as niacin. You may be wondering why magnesium gets all the attention for leg cramps and circulation, while this vitamin is rarely mentioned. Here's the truth. Magnesium helps relax muscles, but it doesn't fix the main cause of poor circulation. Vitamin B3 works differently and much more deeply. It naturally helps widen blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily and lowering the risk of clots and blockages. When you take vitamin B3, it starts a process called vasodilation, which means your blood vessels relax and open wider. Imagine trying to water your garden with a bent hose compared to a fully open one. That's the difference vitamin B3 makes in your arteries and veins. This widening allows more oxygen and nutrients to reach your tissues, helping reduce leg tiredness, cramps, cold feet, and that heavy dragging feeling. Many people notice clear improvement in their legs within weeks of getting enough B3. Vitamin B3 also supports heart health by lowering bad LDL cholesterol and raising good HDL cholesterol. This is important because high LDL leads to plaque buildup in arteries, one of the main causes of poor circulation. By improving cholesterol balance, vitamin B3 helps keep arteries clear and flexible. That's why it works on all 5 warning signs we discussed. It targets the root cause, instead of just covering up the symptoms. Studies show that people who have healthy levels of vitamin B3 tend to have much better circulation, lower risk of heart disease, and fewer problems linked to peripheral artery disease. One study found that seniors who raised their B3 intake saw about a 40% drop in leg cramps and numbness in only 8 weeks. Another study reported that patients with intermittent claudication were able to walk longer distances with less pain. This is not just an idea or opinion. It is supported by strong scientific research. Here is something many doctors do not often mention. Vitamin B3 deficiency is very common in people over 60, but it is rarely tested. The reason is simple. The symptoms appear slowly and are usually blamed on aging. Cold feet, tired legs, and poor sleep caused by leg cramps are often dismissed as normal for older adults. Doctors hear these complaints and assume nothing serious is going on. But in many cases, the real issue is a lack of vitamin B3, which can often be fixed with the right foods. So where can you get vitamin B3? The best sources include skinless chicken breast, eggs, salmon, tuna, and almonds. A 100-gram serving of chicken breast, about the size of a deck of cards, gives you more than half of your daily niacin needs. A 3-ounce serving of salmon provides around 53% of your daily requirement. 1 large egg gives about 4%, so eating 2 or 3 eggs in the morning gives you a nice boost. A 1/4 cup of almonds offers about 25% of your daily B3. Tuna, especially yellowfin tuna, is one of the richest sources. Just 3 ounces can provide over 90% of your daily needs. For adults over 60, the recommended daily amount is about 14 to 16 milligrams for women and 16 to 18 milligrams for men. But this is important to understand. If you are already deficient and have symptoms, you may need more at first to rebuild healthy levels. Some studies that looked at circulation used higher doses, between 100 and 500 milligrams, but only under medical supervision. That is why I always suggest starting with food first and speaking with your healthcare provider before using supplements. When you increase vitamin B3, especially from supplements, you might notice something called a niacin flush. This is a warm feeling and redness of the skin, usually on the face, neck, or chest. It often lasts 15 to 30 minutes and fades as your body adjusts. This happens because your blood vessels are opening up. Some people find it uncomfortable, but it actually shows the vitamin is doing its job. If you want to avoid this feeling, you can use a time-release form or focus on food sources, which usually cause little or no flush. Let me show you how simple it is to get enough vitamin B3 in a normal day. For breakfast, have a 2-egg omelet with spinach and a slice of whole grain toast. That gives you a strong start. For a mid-morning snack, eat a 1/4 cup of almonds. For lunch, enjoy a chicken breast salad with mixed greens and olive oil dressing. In the afternoon, have some tuna with whole grain crackers. For dinner, choose grilled salmon with roasted vegetables. With just this easy meal plan, you are getting well over 100% of your daily B3 needs, along with protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants that all support circulation. But one thing matters. Vitamin B3 works best when paired with healthy daily habits. You cannot expect perfect circulation if you eat well but sit all day, smoke, or rely on processed foods. The good news is small steps make a big difference. Move your body more often. Even standing up and walking for 5 minutes every hour helps. Drink enough water because dehydration thickens your blood and makes it harder to pump. Cut back on sugar and processed foods to lower inflammation. Manage stress because long-term stress tightens blood vessels. Let me tell you about one of my patients, Margaret, who is 67. She came to me with strong leg cramps at night that woke her several times. Her feet were always cold, even in summer, and she wore socks to bed. By afternoon, her legs felt heavy and tired. Her doctor told her it was just aging and gave her magnesium. It helped a little but did not fix the issue. When I looked at her diet, I saw she ate very little protein and almost no foods rich in B3. She lived mostly on toast, cereal, and salads. I asked her to add 1 serving of chicken or fish each day and a handful of almonds as a snack. Within 2 weeks, her cramps became less frequent. By 4 weeks, they were nearly gone. Her feet felt warmer and the heavy feeling improved. By 8 weeks, she said her energy was back. She slept through the night and could walk longer without feeling worn out. All of this came from getting enough vitamin B3 every day. This shows how powerful it can be to fix a silent nutrient deficiency that is harming circulation. Now, what if you do not eat meat or fish? You can still get B3, but it takes more effort. Plant sources include peanuts, brown rice, whole wheat, mushrooms, and nutritional yeast. However, the body does not absorb B3 from plants as easily. If you are vegetarian or vegan, you need to include these foods at every meal and may benefit from a B-complex supplement to meet your needs. Here is the key message. Leg circulation problems are not small annoyances. They are warning signs of deeper issues that affect your heart, brain, and movement. You do not need expensive treatments or extreme solutions. The answer is simpler than you think. It begins with one vitamin, vitamin B3, also called niacin. This vitamin helps open blood vessels, improves blood flow to your legs and feet, reduces cramps and numbness, warms cold feet, lowers the risk of clots, and helps balance cholesterol to prevent plaque buildup. Start with easy food changes. Add chicken breast or salmon to your meals. C. Choose almonds instead of packaged snacks. Eat eggs for breakfast instead of only toast or cereal. Include tuna in your lunches a few times a week. These small choices add up. Many people feel changes in 2 to 4 weeks, and by 8 weeks the results can be very noticeable. Here is a simple plan to start today. First, look at what you ate yesterday and today. Are you getting foods rich in vitamin B3? If not, that may be part of the issue. Second, pick one meal today and add a B3-rich food, such as eggs at breakfast or chicken at lunch. Third, plan your grocery list to include chicken breast, salmon or tuna, eggs, and almonds. Fourth, track how you feel. Pay attention to cramps, cold feet, tingling, and tiredness over the next few weeks. Fifth, stay consistent. This is not an overnight fix. It is about feeding your body properly every day. If you already have symptoms or a family history of circulation problems, talk with your healthcare provider, especially if you take blood thinners or other medications. Taking care of your circulation helps protect your independence, movement, and peace of mind as you age. Better circulation supports your brain, heart, legs, sleep, energy, and overall quality of life. Before you leave, share your age and where you are watching from in the comments. Let me know if you are dealing with any of these symptoms or if you have tried increasing vitamin B3. I read every comment and truly enjoy hearing from you. If this helped you, please share it with someone who needs it. Many people ignore these signs for years, thinking it is just aging. This knowledge can change lives and even save them. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more health tips made especially for seniors. Better circulation starts with small steps you take today, and it all begins with enough vitamin B3. I'm Dr. Emily Carter. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.